Want to know how to log into your Ocean Bank account? You would want to log into your Ocean Bank account to view your account details like balance, transaction histories, and statements. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to log into your Ocean Bank account. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Chrome on your screen. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Then search Ocean Bank Login. Tap on the first search result and this will take you to the official site of the Ocean Bank. Here you will need to enter your user ID and password in order to log in. In addition to that, for easy login process in the future, you can tap on the Remember User ID option right below the password. However, this is not recommended in public computer or shared device. Now tap on the Login button. So this is how you can log into your Ocean Bank account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.